Welcome back, friends. You must be thinking that why I am sitting down like this. So I want to show you this tripod. This is a tripod. Okay, I have a tripod with me today again, and uh, it, this tripod I use for uh, making video. And now I am going to put this phone, this camera, this is iPhone, on this tripod. Okay, so after setting this phone on this, after keeping this phone on this tripod, so then I will speak, I will sit here. Okay, now I think I have to take it down little bit. Okay, no problem. Yes, so as you know, today I am going to complete 3 month 3 month I am going to complete today of consistent English practice without any single day gap. And I have told you in my previous video that I was consistent in speaking and listening. I was consistent in speaking and listening, and one man has come, so now I have to stop. I can't speak in front of him, but he is busy, he is not giving attention to me, he is busy in his work. Okay, he has ship with him, one ship is here in our frame. Okay, so I was telling you, I was speaking about my English journey. So now I have completed 3 month 90 day of consistent English practice. And for speaking English practice, for talking with people, I use CB application, and that application shows how many days, from how many days you are consistent. There is a streak, and that streak, through that streak we can identify, we can know which day is going on. So 90 day, here I am going to attach that screenshot of that CB application, and here you can see 90 days I have completed. 90 days, it means 3 months. Okay, I was thinking about what to speak, how to speak before starting video. Then I thought, let's talk anything, whatever come in my mind, I should talk that. Okay, and I also thought about some points, so I will discuss further in this video these points. Yes, I was thinking about starting Insta Insta account for sharing my English journey. I was only uploading video on YouTube. I was not sharing this content on Insta. But if I can share this on Insta, so it will be helpful. I will grab some audience from Insta to YouTube. Okay, so this will happen. But before starting Insta ID, I have Insta ID, but I don't upload my content on that. So I am thinking that I must start new, fresh Insta ID for content creation. So when we go for having new account, new social media account, so at that time we have to know everything about how to manage that ID. And new mail ID is also very important, and for security reason we should have a new email ID for each and every account. So I will take information, I will research for that, and then I will go for it. If you are watching first time, then do subscribe to the channel and be the part of my English language journey. And I told you already in my previous video that I am consistent in speaking and listening. And in this 90 day, in these last 3 months, I was reading sometime, I was writing sentences sometime. Okay, but for last that sheep is walking near from that tripod. She can shake this camera and hold setup. She went away, she walked away now. So what I was telling you, and for last 2 weeks I am reading continuously. Every day I am reading, and this is book which is I am reading. I told you about this book in my previous video. Okay, and I have completed half of book, 50% book I have completed, and total pages are 277. 277 pages are here, are in this book, and I have completed 120 pages I have completed. Here you can see, okay, 120 page I have completed. And in this notebook I write sentence structures and so many things which are new for me. Okay, so everything I am doing, I am listening every day, I am speaking every day. Okay, so I am trying to work hard, I am trying my best, I am trying to do my best. So but it will take time. Gradually my English will become good and fluent. It takes time, because language learning is not that much easy, but we are consistent, then over the period of time we get fluency, and we achieve some expertise on it. We cannot become very expert and very fluent within a month, or in 3 months, or in 6 months. It takes long time. And if we stop our consistency, if we break our consistency, if we leave practice, if we quit, then we lose everything. We lose our practice, our consistency, our speaking power, everything we lose. I have seen that. I have heard from many YouTubers, they told when they stopped their practice speaking, they lost little bit habit of English speaking. So it happens when we stop and when we quit. But I am consistent. Today I have completed 3 months. Okay, so I am proud of myself. So I am feeling very happy, good, exciting, and I am excited for further practice and for upcoming days. So yes, everything is fine now. While speaking with people on that CV application, through that CV application, one boy said me that reading is not important, and if we avoid reading, this is okay, that is okay. So I was against him, because reading is very wonderful thing, and we should read through hard copy. Like we should practice reading through this hard copy book, through this real book. And sometime what happens, people read through computer or laptop, but it increases our screen time, and that is harmful for our eyes. So we must read through this physical book. By using hard copy we have to read. Okay, and reading is very essential, very important, because this gives us vocabulary, sentence structures, and this reading process make us calm and peaceful. Okay, we feel another type of pleasure after reading. So we can't avoid, or we can't deny reading. Reading is always great. Instead of scrolling reels and wasting time without any intention, reading is far. I want to show you my speaking practice when I speak with people by using that CV application. So I want to show you that, but for that I will need another mobile phone, and I don't have another one phone. I don't have one more phone. So, and I can't buy now, because this is very expensive. Means at least I have to spend 15,000 if I really want to buy another one mobile phone. So because of that I am not able to show you that my speaking practice, but I will manage, I will do something. This is a way of my English practice. Is it good or not? Tell me. Okay, so now I am going to stop this video here. Thank you for watching. If you are watching first time, then subscribe to the channel and be part of my English journey. Thank you.